Check it out! I'm not sure if this is 100% correct, but it sure looks correct. It's what I would expect. Let's go take a look at the code. So we've added a new enumeration for another procedure in the canonic constants. And it's going to be number 14. That's going to identify the stamping code we're going to run. And the arglist object was const. It should have been a var because it needs to escape the scope of the data section for BinFont. So we're in the BinFont data section. So we fixed this bug here, and we made a little note here on this line. In the canonic lookup table for A through Z, we have the C key bound to the BinFont enumeration now. And we made a little mistake here. Well, not much of a mistake, but in stamp text, the colors we were using just show up as a flat color fill because our renderer isn't sophisticated yet. So we're going to just use these values for now, and when the renderer becomes more sophisticated, we'll set this value to 1. Here is the enumeration procedure detection for the BinFont function, where we're activating a Konami code. And here's our big block of text. Here's the stamp text function. And we're going to use the master memory, which is 2048 by 2048. Use that big block of text. Mark the master memory as dirty so that we can update the GPU memory. And then just a logging message so I can see what's going on. So what we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. So you are on this playlist. If you want more description, go here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 216. Like, subscribe.